Welcome back to my dollhouse, based on the sets of the TV series All Creatures Great and Small. Today we're working in the kitchen. Here's the plans for the rooms. So far I've done the living room and Siegfried's office across the hall from it on the second floor, and the vet exam room on the lower level. I'll link the videos for them below if you haven't seen them yet. And today we're doing the kitchen. On the show, it's connected to Mrs. Hall's office, which I recreated here. Here it is on the show. And just like the other rooms, there's lots of brown furniture and warm butter yellow walls. Here's another view, which convinced me I needed to make a green enamel coffee pot because it gets lots of screen time. So I put one here, and I also made a little salad. Here's a close-up. I would like a yellow bowl like that for my own in real life size. Anyway, here's Jess the golden retriever checking things out. With the space constraints, I had to set up my room a little differently than how it is on the show. So before I redid it, the kitchen used to look like this, lit with a flashlight even. But I was able to reuse that washboard sink top, as you'll see here. I put it on table legs instead with a skirt. And the wallpaper is similar to the Bradbury and Bradbury and William Morris designs they've been using on the show. But I actually redid the kitchen in this room instead, which used to look like this, because that way the fireplace could hold the Aga cooker like it does on the show. And that gave me the opportunity to turn the built-in shelves next to the fireplace into a dish cupboard. I covered it in wood veneer, and I put in spindles for the plates, and the hinges on the bottom are impossibly tiny beads that wanted to roll around to get lost instead of staying on their little pieces of wire. And that's why these rooms take me so long to do, because I worry about the silliest little details like that. Here's a clip from the show that I used for inspiration.
Is this some kind of joke?
You'll cook and clean in Mrs. Hall's absence. I do hope you were listening to her this morning. She left a list of things to do by the telephone.
I thought we were divvying up the jobs. That is the fair way.
Don't panic. I'm not expecting you to have this place tip-top by any means. Just try to complete the tasks as satisfactorily as you can. What's that?
Hello.
So I had to place the laundry equipment closer to the cabinets than how they looked there on the show. You can see a little bit better here. You know, I would not want to be Mrs. Hall or Tristan doing the laundry for the vet practice in addition to the household laundry, using an old-fashioned laundry tub and a mangle. No thank you. But anyway, I made my own version with a souvenir pencil sharpener and some jewelry findings. Here's a work in progress picture. I was trying to determine which fabric to use for the sink skirt that would show up better on camera, but I did go with the lighter one because that's more authentic to what is on the show. And here's the finished stove cabinet. That was fun trying to create the old pine finish on plastic, but you can see I had a good model there to help me. And back in the room, I also made the plate rack and the pegboard above the Aga. And I didn't forget to include Jess. Next up are the hallways. And this is my If It Were Mine inspiration design I'll be using. It's from Heidi LaChapelle. It's got those pretty warm butter yellow colors and the greens that they use on the set designs of the show. So that's the kitchen. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing to my channel. And for more big and little ideas, please visit my website, ifitweremine.com.